Okay, let's start. This is the port for phone card. This is for the wired siren. This is the USB port for power supply, and this is the on and off button. Let's press the on and off button. Add the remote. Add the detector. Down arrow to choose different name. Since it's a door sensor, we choose door sensor. Up arrow to choose different mode. Let's move to mode and use down arrow to choose out unactive or stay unactive or 24-hour active or close. Doorbell, stay unactive. Okay? Then choose. Let's trigger the door sensor. Okay. Add the second detector. This detector works with pet immunity 20 kg. Firstly, you have to press the on-off button inside of the panel. Let's open the box. It's press and open. Okay. Inside there's a on and off button. See the red lights flashing. Okay. Close the box. Add the second detector. Choose. Still unactive. Okay. Trigger it. Okay. Add RFID tag. Choose. Okay. Now let's test the function. Armed.
System armed.
Disarmed.
System disarmed.
SOS. Disarmed.
System disarmed. System armed. System disarmed. System armed. System disarmed. System armed. System disarmed.
Or use remote control.
System armed. System disarmed.
Now let's test the detector.
System armed.
Disarmed.
System disarmed.